Hello friends. Okay, in previous class we discussed about the round of numbers. Okay, that concept of using we can do the exercise 1.2. Okay, round of numbers. Whenever if you want to find out the round of numbers, how we can identify the round of numbers for the nearest tens or nearest hundreds or nearest thousands. We will discuss here. Okay, see here. Whenever if you want to find out the round of numbers, we have to follow the concept. Actually, concept is whenever a number is taken to you, like this number is given, nearest tens I want to find out. For this number, nearest hundred tens I want to find. Nearest tens means first tens place you have to underline. Tens place you have to underline. Tens place after right side number. Right side number you have to circle. In this circle, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can add 0 for the tens place. Whenever, if you have tens place underline after, tens place after means a right side number. We have to circle that one. Okay, in that circle, if you have 0, or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, any one of the number is available there, then we have to add 0 for the 4. Okay, that means tens place number added with 0. Okay, otherwise in this circle number we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any one of these 5 numbers are there. Okay, circle number having either 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any one of the number is there. Then add 1 for this number. Okay. Now we can decide. Once again I am repeating this one. According to concept, how we can do the round of number. Whenever a number is given to you, I want to find out the nearest tens. Nearest tens I want to calculate. Nearest tens. Then we have to identify the tens place. Once already you know well, Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Up to that one remember, later we can discuss the meaning also. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Tens place you have to underline. Underline after underline number right side which number is there, that one circle that one. Okay, in that circle if you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, add 0 for the previous number, underline number add with 0. Otherwise the circle number having 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. Then add with the plus 1. Okay, now I will write before underline number. We can write later. By adding these to 4 plus 1, what we can get? 5. 5 after how many days are there here? 1 digit cycle number only. So 10 you have to write. 10. Okay, by adding 4 plus 1, did you get a carry? No. Carry is not getting is 8 only, right? 8, 2, 3. If any carry if you get, then we can write the carry that one. Okay. For example, another model 396 5 I taken. Okay, I want to find out the nearest tens. Nearest tens means underline the tens place. Once tens place have to underline. Okay, tens place underline after right side which number is there? 5. 5 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means what we can do? 1 we have to add. Add 1. Okay, in this place circle place 0 you have to keep. Okay, always underline number after which digits are there, such number of zeros have read. Here 1 digit is there. Underline number after we have one number is there. So we have to write a 1 0. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. Like this we can do the sums. any nearest number, any nearest thousand and nearest hundred, nearest 10,000 also, we can follow this method only. Okay, what that method you have to remember? Which place, which nearest is asked you, that one place underline. Underline after right side number and circle that one. Underline number right side. Right side means if you look at the board, 4 right side, 3 is available. 3 is have to circle that one. Okay, 3 circle after in this circle, which number is there? Either this group number or this group number. According to that one, add 1 or 0. Okay, add 1 or 0. Later we can add after 4 plus 1 5. No carry is there. No carry is remaining left side numbers. Underline digit left side numbers as it is how to copy. If carry means you can add like this. Okay, 0 add with any number. That number only. 4 plus 0 4. 5 plus 0 5. 6 plus 0 6. 10 plus 0 10. Okay. Now underline after right side how many numbers are there, such number of digits we have to write 0. This is the actual concept for you. Okay, in previous class also I told shortcut method. What that shortcut method is? Okay, 2 3 8 4 3. Okay, I want to find out the nearest tens. Nearest tens means 10 right tens place right side number, both you have to underline. Okay, then while carry is getting means a little bit difficult it is. Okay, compared to that one. Okay, 43 is nearest to which number? 43 lies between 40 and 50. 40 lies between 40 and 50. Okay, this is the 43 is nearest to the 40. So you have to write 40. Remaining digits here. Okay. Similarly, 395. Okay, we have to underline this one. Next number is we have to 95. 95 lies between 90 and 100. 90 and 100. Like this sum, they will not give to you. This model only they will give to you. Okay, 95, 90 and 100. 95 nearest to the 100 because whenever 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 are nearest to the 100. Now we have to write 100. 100 means the 3-digit number. So we have to write it in like this. 3 plus 1 4. Okay, we will follow this concept model only. If you are not able to understand, we will follow the shortcut method. Okay, according to the textbook, we have to follow. What is that one? Here we have to remember what is the note point. You have to remember note point. Note underline number. Underline after right side number. Right side number you have to circle. Right side number have to circle. Right side number. And for underline right side number. Okay, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then add 1 for the underline number. Okay, if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 0 for the underline number. This is very, very important to you. You have to remember. By doing the round of numbers, very, very important. Underline number. That means which place we have to round off. That one place I have to underline. Underline after right side, which number is there? That is circle, that one. In that circle, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. We have to add 0. Okay, if 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there in that circle, add 1. Okay, right side number always, while writing the result, we have to take zeros. Okay, we will discuss the exercise sums. I think all have you understood. Exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Round off the following. Round off the following numbers to nearest nearest tens. Okay, I want to find out the nearest tens. In that 89. Next one 415. Next one I will discuss fourth one 4401. 4409. 4409. Third one, do your own. What is the third one there? 3951. 3951. Do your own this one. I will explain these three sums. 4409. Now tens. What is the question? Round off nearest tens. Round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Okay, while writing these note points, how to remember. Okay, generally you can do it very easy. See here, tens place. This is tens place. 8, 9. Okay, 8 after right side number, you have to circle. Okay, circle number having which number compared to this one? Here 9. 9 is second group that will have. Second group means add 1. Second group means add 1. Add 1. Okay, by adding what we can get 8 plus 1 9. Right side number you can take it 0. 90. Nearest tens of 89 equal to 90. Is the read of circle number having 9. 9 is this is group 1. First group is second group. First group is there means first group related number is there means add 0. Second group number is there means add 1. Okay. Now go for the next question. What is this one? Nearest tens only for this also. 415. Okay, tens place you have to underline. Tens place after which number is there? 5. 5 is related to first group or second group? Second group. Second group means what we can do? Add 1. Add 1. Add 1. Okay, now add. Okay, 1 plus 1. First addition 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Is there any carry? No. Carry not there means 4 only have it. 4. Okay, on right side number you can take a 0. Always 0 only. Okay, addition after we will get all zeros. Okay, that is underline number after how many digits are there, such number of zeros we will get. Next one. For that one we have complete reverse of this one only. Okay, very easy that one. Next 4409. Okay, now this is the tens place. 0 is the tens place. 0 is the tens place. Underline place after which number is there? 9. 9 means first group or second group? Second group. Second group means this is first group. Second group. Second group. This is the first group. First group means add 0. Second group number means add 1 to the underlined number. Okay, this is the 9. 9 means related to the first and second group. Second group means add 1 to the underlined number. Underlined number only you have to add. Okay, don't add a circle number. Now add this one. Okay, 1 plus 0, 1 only. Any number add with a 0. That number only will get. And there is no carry. That means 4. Only you have to write 4, 4. If carry came means then that one carry add to the next number of the left side. Next number of the left side. And underline after how many digits are there? 1 digit. So 1 0 left. This is the nearest tens. Nearest tens of 4409 equal to 4410. Nearest tens finding processor. Next is second one, nearest hundreds. I think all of you understood that. Nearest hundreds. Second one. In this also 4 sums are there. I will explain 2 sums, 3 sums. Same word only. Nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. What the question given? First question 695. Second question 36152. Next, third question, do your one. 13648. I will explain last one, fourth one. 93618. 93618. See here, what is the question given? Round off the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. Okay, nearest hundreds means 100 place we have to underline. Which place we have to underline? 100 place we have to underline. Okay, now by marking the places for the given number, right side only you have to start. Right side, ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. 100 place you have to underline. Okay, underline after what the next step? Underline after number which is there, that one circle. Always right side number you have to circle. Circle number is related to first group or second group? Related to the second group, because 9 is there. 9 is the second group. 9 is second. Second group means add 1. Second group means add 1. Add 1. Now add that one 5. Otherwise you can write like this also. This also you can write. Below also you can write. No problem there. Add 1 5. What is this one? Addition first do. Not writing numbers. 6 plus 1 7. 6 plus 1 7. One thing remember, left side numbers are any numbers are there? No. So leave that one. Right side how many digits are there for underline number? 1 2. That means underline number after how many digits are there at the right side? Such number of zeros you have to write. 1 2 2 digits are there right side. So 2 zeros you have to write. 2 zeros you have to write. Okay. Next go for that this one 36152. 36152. You have to find out the 100 place, nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds means ones, tens, 100. 1 you have to underline. Underline after circle is 1 5. Right side number you have to circle. Underline right side number you have to circle. 5 is there. 5 is related to group 1 or group 2? First group or second group? 5. Second group means add 1. For underline number you have to add 1. For underline number you have to add 1. Now you add that 1 plus 1. Always after writing addition, first do addition. 1 plus 1 only. 1 plus 1 1. Okay, is there any carry? No carry means same numbers only write at left side part. No carry you are getting means left side which numbers are there, such numbers only copy there. Later underline number after right side how many digits are there, such number of zeros you have to write. Always you have to blindly remember, right? Underline number after zeros only we will get. Underline after we will get zeros. Here 2 digits are there. 2 digits means 2 zeros you have to write. This is the nearest hundreds for the 695. This is the nearest hundred for the this number. Okay. We can write conclusion like this. Nearest hundreds of 695 equal to 700. Like this we can write conclusion at the last for each sum. Now go for the third question. Do your own. This is very easy sum. Now do your own. Okay. Next go for this one. 93618. 93618. Okay, you have to take a 100 place. Okay, 100 place which is the underline ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. 100 place you have to underline. Okay, 100 place right side which number is there? 1. 100 place right side which number is there? 1. Okay, 1 means 1 is related to first group or second group? First group. First group means add 0. First group means add 0. Okay, add 0 for the underline number. Always add with underline number only. Always add with underline number only. Okay, now 6 plus 0. After adding the 0, first do addition. 6 plus 0, 6 only. Any number added with 0, that number only we will get. 6 plus 0, 6 only. 6 plus 0, 6 only. Some numbers will make the mistake here only. When adding that with 0, any number, that number only we will get a solution. Okay, is there any carry? No, carry not there means 3. 9. carry is getting means we can add carry. Otherwise, copy the same number. After underlining number, how many days are there right side? 1 or 2? 1 or 2. 2 means 2 zeros have to write. This is the answer. Now we go for the third one. Third one, nearest thousands. Third one, round of the following numbers nearest thousands. Nearest thousands. In this also we have four sums are there. We will discuss four sums. I will discuss two sums only. Already we done this. By following this one we can do 3 4 1 5. Second one 7 0 1 2 4. Third one, fourth one, do your one. 8 7 6 5. 4 0 0 1. Do your one. These two sums. Do your one. So process is same only. Which place hospital at one place identify first. Okay, round off the following numbers to the nearest thousand. What the question given? Nearest thousands we have to find out. Okay, nearest thousand means place value thousand we have to underline. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Thousand. Underline number after which number is there right side? That one you have to circle. Always right side number only have to circle. Always right side number only have to circle. Right side number is circle. In that circle, which number is there? 4. 4 is related to first group or second group? First group. So first group means add 1 or 0? 0. 0 100. Either 1 or 0 only 100 every time. 0 add. After writing 0 addition, add these. 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0. 3. Okay, 3. Okay, left side any number is there? No. Leave that one. Right side how many digits are there? Underline after we have 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. That means 3 digits will be zeros. 3 digits will be zeros. Okay. Our nearest thousands of this number is 3000. Okay. Next this is 71024. Nearest thousand I want to find out. Nearest thousand means ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Thousand we have to underline. Thousand we have to underline. Underline after number. Right side number you have to circle. So what is the circle having? 1. 1 is related to first group or second group? First group. First group number is 1. 1 means add 0. For underline number add 0. 0 plus 0, 0 only. 0 plus 0, 0. Then left side how many digits are there? Underline after 1 digit is there. So write 7. Write 7. Underline number after left side how many? Right side how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. That means 3 digits will be 0. This is the answer. This is about the round up. When any time they will ask you nearest 10,000 also, we will follow this method. I think all have you understood. Whenever if you remember this note point, you can do very easily. Underline the required place. Required place after right side which number is that? That one circle. That circle number having 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Underline number add with 0. Circle number having 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then add with 1. This is the first group, this is the second group. Okay, now we have to find out the next one. What is the next one? Already you know well these Romans. Write write the number in short form. Write the number in short form. Already you know well this Roman. Okay, remaining two sums do your work. So I will explain one more also. Last one do your work. Okay, like this questions are given to you. I will explain two sums. I will explain two sums. By following two sums, we can do the remaining two sums. Okay, two sums I will explain. Okay, first one. Why the first one here? Okay, 3,000. 3,000 is this. 3,000. Here four numbers and three numbers are adding. Here three numbers are adding. One is this number, another one is this, another one is this. In these three numbers we are adding. We are adding three numbers means which number having more digits? That one I identify first. In these three numbers which having more digits? Okay, this is one number. How many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Directly you can write this, you can write no problem that one. Okay, we cannot able to write like follow this method. This number having 4 digits. Okay, that means in these three numbers which is having more digits, this number 4, 3. This is having 3 digits, this is having 1 digit. Okay, which is having more digits? This is having the more digits. How many digits do we have? 4 digits. 4 digits means 4 lines not to write like this. 4 lines not to write like this. Now, in which page is this is first page, second page, third page, fourth page. First page, second page, third page, fourth page. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth page will be 3. Fourth page will be 3. Now count here. Second number. Once, second, third. Third page. Third page. 1, 2, 3. Third page will be 4. Okay, which page it is? First page. First page will be 7. That means which is integer, that is taken as 0. Which is integer, that is taken as 0. Now go for the next question. In this we have 1, 2. Addition after numbers only how to count. Addition is separate in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. Those 5 numbers you have to write short form. Okay, this form is called expanded form. Okay, by dividing the numbers by using plus, that is the expanded form. Without writing the plus symbol, we can write the number like this form. This is called a short form or standard form. Short form or standard form. Short form or standard form. Okay, here which number having more digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 2, 3 digits. 1, 2. 2 digits, 1 digit. That means we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is having 5 digits, so 5 digit number you have to write like this. Okay, which place is 1, 2, first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth place, which number is 1? Till which one? Fifth place. Okay, next is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth place is 2. So you have to fill with the fourth place is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Next 1, 2, 3. What is the third place here? 3. Here third place will be the 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 here. Next what is the second place? And what is the place of 5? 1, 2. Second place. 1, 2. Second place will be the 5. Here 1. Okay, by using this pattern also we can do directly. Okay, these two sums do your goal. These two sums do your goal. Okay, next one more model. Okay.